I am Dr. S. Charumadi, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, K.S. Rangasamy College of Technology. Now we are going to see about digital data and BI definition and concepts. Digital data. Digital data can be classified into three types. They are unstructured, semi-structured and structured. So here is a percentage distribution diagram of these digital data. What is unstructured data means? This is the data which does not conform to a data model or not in a form which can be used easily by a computer program. Generally, about 80 to 90% data of an organization will be in this format. So this is said to be unstructured data. Semi-structured data means this does not conform to a data model but has some structure. It has some structure but exactly it does not have some data model. So this is said to be semi-structured data. Structured data means it is an organized form like rows and columns and etc. And it can be easily used by a computer program. So this is said to be structured data. For example, relationships exist between entities of data such as classes and their objects. And most of the data stored in databases are said to be structured data. And characteristics of structured data is displayed here in this cycle diagram. So unstructured data, it does not conform to any data model, cannot be stored in form of rows and columns as in a database, not in any particular format or sequence, not easily usable by a program, does not follow any rule or semantics, has no easily identifiable structure. Digital data, where does it goes, and unstructured data comes from where? This is the topic now we are going to see. Unstructured data, it comes from the web pages. Okay, web pages, memos, and it is a structure of videos, images, body of an email, word document, PowerPoint presentation, chats, reports, white papers, surveys, interviews, like that, etc. So okay, now let's see how to store the unstructured data. So first the format should be changed, and to the hardware it should be placed in a new hardware, and some database should be connected like RDBMS, BLOBs, etc. And it's stored in XML which tries to give some structure. Like unstructured data can also have some structure, so that is XML format, and CAS that organizes file based on their metadata. Okay, now let's see about structured data. So structured data is organized in semantic chunks, like it is said to be like entities. Okay, similar entities are grouped together like relations, classes, etc. And entities in the same group have the same descriptions. Attributes and parameters are said to be same descriptions, and descriptions of all entities in a group have the same defined format. It have a same schema for some of the entities, and it have a predefined length, and it also follow the same order. And what is structured data? Actually, a structured data conforms to a data model, and the data will be stored in rows and columns. And in structured data, the data resides in fixed fields within a record or a file. And also attributes in a group have same which we have already seen in the previous slide. Now let's see about BI. BI is a comprehensive set of strategies, methodologies and technologies used by organization to collect, analyze and manage business information. The primary goal of BI is to help executives, managers and employees make better, more informed decisions based on data rather than on guesswork or institution. So this is the general definition of BI. So it's a insight for that can be used in business ethics. Okay, now let's see the key components on the tools of BI. BI is not a single product or a specific tool. It's a broad category. So that includes data warehouse, dashboards, reporting tools, data mining tools, and OLAP, that is online analytical processing. Now let's see this is the diagram of BI component framework. So this shows the framework of exact BI definition. And in next slide we see about the layers of BI. That is, the layer consists of 4 components like BI architecture, BI and DW operations, data resource management and business applications. So these are said to be the whole layer or whole architecture for the BI. And some of the components of BI architecture are data, integration, information, technology and organization. And now let's see the components of BI and DW operations. DW is nothing but data warehouse. So data warehouse administration requires the usage of various tools to monitor the performance and usage of warehouse and perform administrative tasks on it. So some of the tools would be backup and restore, security, configuration management, and database management. So data resource and administration involves data governance and metadata management. So what is data governance? So data governance is a technique for controlling data quality, which is used to assess, improve, manage, and maintain information. It helps to define standards that are required to maintain data quality. And some of the distribution roles are data ownership, data stewardship, data custodianship. What is data warehousing? We already seen. And let's see about the implementation layer that comes under data warehousing. So it is a process which prepares the basic repository of data that becomes the data source where we extract information from. So let's data warehouse is nothing but it's a data source, right? So data warehousing can play 5 distinct roles like intake, integration, distribution, delivery, access, like that. Okay, now this is the simple diagram that represents the data warehousing technique, and we are already seen about the implementation like data warehousing. So the one more important points are, it is not only the process of producing information, rather it involves ensuring that the information produced is aligned with business requirements and can be acted upon to produce value for the company. So this does not just gives information, it also act as a layer. And data mining is a practice used to increase the body of knowledge. And data warehouse plays a vital role in data mining than BI. Okay, now let's see the applications of BI. So BI applications can be divided into technology solutions and business solutions. In technology, it is applied in DSS, EIS, OLAP, online analytical processing, managed query and reporting, and data mining. Data mining, it's most similar to BI. And in business solution, BI plays a vital role in performance analysis, customer analysis, marketplace analysis, productivity analysis, sales channel analysis, behavioral analysis, supply chain analysis. And some of the open source BI tools are RDBMS, MySQL, Firebird, ETL tools, Pentaho data integration, Spago BI, analysis tools, Veka, RapidMiner, Spago BI, reporting tools, ad hoc querying, visualization, Pentaho, BIRT, Accutate, Jaspersoft. Thank you.